So business automation empowers people, okay? Doesn't replace them unless the company wants to, and that's what these big enterprise companies do a lot. But real businesses, real companies that care about people, business automation empowers them because it takes them from doing that monotonous, mundane, repetitive behavior like a robot and allows them to then go do some things that create value, like customer service, networking, branding, communicating abroad, those type of things. Business automation supports quality and compliance. It's important to know that. Business automation supports quality and compliance because when you automate things, you don't have to think about them. If they're set right and proper, you don't have to think about them. That's going to heighten your quality in itself. And of course, you have compliance that you have to follow. Well, if you have everything set and standardized, you're going to automatically be compliant. Okay?